this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun Z-fold card and add some color to your dry embossing using the Shaded Summer stamp set and the Summer Shadows dies. The dies are available for free during the months of August and September. All right, here is the Shaded Summer stamp set that's in the annual catalog, and these are the free Summer Shadows dies that you can get when you make a $100 US order. They perfectly coordinate with the Shaded Summer stamp set, and they have all these extra dies that are really fun to use to create some pretty flowers. But I'm going to show you how to do some coloring on your dry embossing background today in this video. So I have two cards this time to show you the difference. This is when I used the embossing folder and I used a blending brush, and I just got some ink on there and just rubbed the ink all over the top here like that. And then I get this look right here. I can also show you on these three contrasting pieces of cardstock. So this is just regular embossed. This is with the brush, so just a little hint more. And then this is when you take the ink and you put it directly on the ink pad like this. And just do it very lightly so you don't get ink down inside, although you still will. But you can clean it up with a Q-tip or with a little baby wipe. I'm gonna grab a Q-tip and just clean up some spots. Q-tips are also handy to have in your craft room. And actually everything looks pretty good. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my piece of Coastal Cabana. And this is 4 by 5 1/4. And I am going to bring the die cutting and embossing machine up so I can have it all ready to go. I'm going to use platform number 1 and the 2 cutting plates number 3. And let's see here, I'm going to give myself a little bit more room, so I'm just going to place this up here for a moment. And then I'm going to line this piece of cardstock up with this line right here. I'm going to try and place it down so it doesn't move. Ah, it moved. It's okay. All right, so I'm going to place it on here and put the cutting plate on top. And there we go. And just roll this through. Okay. Then I'm going to move this aside. And then here is the magic. Ta-da! Unfortunately, it moved a little bit, so it's a little bit blurry up here. Yeah, it got kind of blurry, but down here it looks amazing. Look at how cool that looks. So fun. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do a Z-fold card. So I've got 2 pieces of Whisper White. I went ahead and did one thick. I'm gonna put this on the thick Whisper White. That's 4 by 5 1/4. And this piece of Coastal Cabana is actually a little smaller. It's 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. I'm gonna add a little bit extra adhesive just because it's an embossed piece. And then just center this on here. Gorgeous, and the white really makes it pop. And then I'm just gonna add this piece inside. You can write on or stamp a sentiment on. So this will go inside. This one is also 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, just so that when I put this on, it will perfectly cover it. And I'm gonna wrap some bumblebee gingham ribbon around the middle here first before I attach it. So I'll just cut it right there. And you will see my attachment of the ribbon on the back. So you'll see that right there. So I'm gonna try and make it look nice and neat. Just put a little adhesive here. Make that look nice and straight and neat. And then the other side will be hidden. Okay. And so we'll only put adhesive on the left side here and attach it to the card. So the card base is a regular 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and then it's scored at 2 1/8 and 4 1/4, and then folded back like this to create the Z folds. Super fun. And then I have colored on the stamp again. So I usually start with the darker color, which in this case is the Granny Apple Green. So I'm just gonna color all the greenery, Granny Apple Green. Just get in there and get it all colored. And I keep turning the stamp to make it easier for me to get in there and color instead of moving my arm all around. Just easier this way. Okay, so there's the green, and then we'll do bumblebee. My bumblebee's a little bit dry, so I'm gonna just re-ink it by adding some ink and just squeezing a little bit of ink on the top. And there you have your re-inked marker. So you can add some bumblebee ink and get all the flowers. And I can't remember if I did these. Okay, and then we're just gonna stamp. Nice. Okay, we're gonna cut this out with the dies. So I would use this die right here to cut this out, but I've got some cut out already. It's the magic of television or videos. And I have a label from the Hippos dies, and I've stamped and cut out some more greenery. So I'm gonna stamp Happy Birthday in Coastal Cabana on my label. Nice. And then I'm gonna put dimensionals on all of these pieces. So I'm just gonna do one, so I can stick the greenery in there. And this one I'm gonna do 2. Yeah, how am I gonna do 2? Up and down? Yeah, 1 here and 1 here, so that the ribbon can just go through there. Okay, so, whoops, already got sticky, so I'm gonna put this one about here, put this one there, and then put this on my things, which I don't want. So I'm gonna use my little lifter persuader. See if I can save the glue dot. If not, I'll just get another one. And I'm gonna shift it over a little bit. So that one was fine there. So this one needs to go like right there. Nice, love it, perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna just put adhesive on these and lay these down flat. Just stick them to my fingers. And I want one over here and one right here. And flip this around. Whoops. Should I put one over here? Yeah. And then one over here or here. I feel like here. I feel like that's more balanced. So I think I'm gonna move this one over there too. So just gonna lift this one up and put it over here. Lovely, lovely. Okay, so I'm just gonna tie a bow with the gingham ribbon and add it to the card to finish the card. And so now you can get out your ink pads and your embossing folders and have some fun coloring your backgrounds when you dry emboss them. Super fun. And I'd love to see your creations. You can post them on my Facebook page, www.facebook.com/Elaine'sCreations. And I'm looking for my glue dots. I always put them somewhere and I don't know where I put them, and they're usually right in front of me. And it would be really fun to see your embossed and colored background cards. So I'm offering a free card kit for the Shaded Summer stamp set. When you purchase $50, you will not only get a free Sale-A-Bration item during August and September, you can email me for this free card kit as well. Just use my current hostess code to place your order and send me an email, and I will send the kit right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my other video tutorials on the Shaded Summer stamp set and the Summer Shadows dies. The dies are available again for free during the months of August and September with any $100 order. So be sure to click the link in my bio to order. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell so you know when I post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.